Alright guys, so basically what I'm doing today, just filming a video on what my birthday glam would be like. If you're watching this, my birthday is May the 29th, so it probably is already passed by the time this is going up. But yeah, it's not going to be anything too crazy, just kind of doing a look based off of what I would do for my birthday glam. And I'll be 26 this year, so getting old, you guys. So basically starting off with my eyebrows, pretty already filled in. Just taking some of this concealer, the Milani Conceal and Perfect concealer, and carving out my eyebrows. I found that lately using this gives a little bit more natural look when you clean up your brows. And I'm just going to go ahead and prime my face, and I'll be using the Fenty Beauty how could I forget? The Soft Matte Primer from Fenty Beauty. I actually scratched that. I'm going to be taking a little bit of my Pond's moisturizer, because y'all know your girl got dry skin. And now I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty Pro Matte Filter. Now that we have that done, I'm going to do a little bit of color correcting. And this is the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is in the color Orange Corrector. Just going to tap a little bit of this. Alright, so now I'm going to try to figure out what eye look, and then I'll be right back. I'm taking the Modern Renaissance palette, and for my crease shades, I used Golden Ochre, Raw Sienna, and Burnt Orange from that palette. And basically, I just built all three of those colors up to my liking. And then I took Cypress Umber from that palette as well, and I just packed that onto the outer corner of my eyelid. And I blended that into the crease colors as well. You just kind of want to go back and forth between the crease colors and that Cypress Umber, that darker brown. And you just go back and forth and blend it until you feel that you like the blend and that you're comfortable with it. So for the inner part of my eyelid, I used the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, and I used the shades Hustle and Meeks, and I just packed that onto my eyelid on the inner part though. And then afterwards I clean up the edges with makeup remover just so they're sharper. I'm going to go in with foundation, and today I'm going to be using the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. This is new to me, but I can say that I did like it when I tried it on at the store. And I'm in the shade 6, which is golden. Alright, y'all, let's see how this goes. Scared. now for concealer, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Golden. And then just for a little bit more coverage, please don't drag me. Please don't drag me. I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape. I bought this a long time ago. And once they came out with that Shape Tape foundation, I stopped using it because of the shade range. Which sucks because this is a great concealer. Like, it's pretty much still full because it was like right when I bought it for the first time. All that stuff happened. So, please don't drag me. I'm just going to finish this. And if they haven't improved, I'm not buying it again. Well, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set under my eyes. I'm using the little Mercier translucent powder, and I think I put some of the Banana Revolution setting powder in there as well to give it a little bit more of a yellow tone, since I have a yellow tone, you know? Alright, then I'm going to take my MAC Mineralized Skinfinish in the color Medium Deep. And I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and kind of go over my whole face. Tap it over my whole face. Alright, now for contour, I'm going to take my Anastasia Cream Contour Kit in the shade Medium. I'm going to take this shade right here because it gives me a little bit more of a warm tone. I just place that into the hollows of my cheeks, and I'm trying to tap that into the skin just to get the product where you need it. And then I'm taking this stippling brush and I'm going to spray with a little bit of my Badescu Rosewater spray, and then just tap it in more just to blend it. And I'm going to go into my hairline with it as well. Alright, now I'm going to take this blush from NYX. It's called Mauvin It Out. This Fix Gold Lite. I'm not sure how I feel about it yet. It's got the gold glitters and everything in it. Because I'm extra. Alright, now I'm going to put on some lashes. Probably going to do that off camera though because it's not my strong suit. So, yeah. I'm taking these lashes from Kiss. And then there's Stout Boudoir. There we go. I'm going to put those on and be right back. Alright, y'all. After that struggle, I finally got lashes on, and I'm just gonna take Cypress Umber from the Modern Renaissance palette. And just tap that into my bottom lash line. Spray my face one more time. I'm going to do it with the Mario Badescu spray this time. Now that it's not completely all the way dry, I'm going to take this Extra Dimension Skinfinish, which is Max Highlighter, and this is in the shade Glow with it. And then I'm going to take a little bit of Oh Darling. It's a little bit of a lighter shade. I'm also going to take Oh Darling and put it in my inner tear duct. Blinding, guys. The last thing I'm going to do is take the Urban Decay De-Slick Spray, because it's looking pretty oily here. I'm going to take this brown lip liner from Kiss New York, and it's in the shade Roasted Coffee. I'm going to try this shade. It's called Quickie from Makeup Shayla's collab with ColourPop. And I'm going to put her lip gloss on top. And this is called Neat Freak. Yeah, I think I like that. Alright guys, I think we're done here. I'm gonna go change my shirt and yeah, be right back. Alright guys, so got myself together. Now this is really the finished look. This is what the kind of look I would do for if I was going out for my birthday. And again, I just feel really blessed to see another year, you know. Some people don't make it to see 26, so I am really grateful and really blessed. So yeah, I hope you guys like the look. As always, you know, leave feedback in the comments below, like and subscribe please. Thank you guys so much for watching.